Hi everyone, I wanted to make you aware that plans are available for solar dehydrators. And so this certain one is called the Missoula1 model. The reason why I called it Missoula1 model is because they're made professionally in Missoula, Montana. There are two perspective views of this. These are plan cuts, right? So this is an overhead view, and this is the base right here. And so this is a cut at a certain distance off the bottom, and there's another cut so that you can see all the pieces, and then the section cuts that will be later in the plans are identified there. So there's one of the plan cuts, right? Here's a section cut. These are reflected ceilings so that you can see the top there and the top there. These are elevations. Now these pieces of paper that I'm showing you are printed out much smaller than what the PDF file comes as. So the PDF file comes as 36 by 48. This is the main frame of the solar dehydrator, and then these are elevations of this frame. So that's the structure that will stay stable. And then here's an expanded view of all the materials that are involved. Thank you very much. And the plans are at the digital market, and there's a link below for that.